Hi everyone, welcome to A Square Maths Academy. Today we are going to discuss about determinants of the chapter matrices. Now let us start the class. Okay, these are given questions. First question is nothing but modulus, or first question is nothing but determinant of log e square, log e cube, log e square, log e cube, log e power of 4, log e power of 3, log e power of 4, log e power of 5. That equals to how much? Options are given as 0, 1, 4 log e, 5 log e. So don't panic this type of questions. Why? Because here very simple questions these are. Directly you choose the answer without any calculation. Directly you choose the answer. Why? Because here 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Observe the difference here. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. 1 is the difference. So directly, suppose by using operations, determinant operations, then what we get here? Two rows or two columns are equal, we get here. So that's why determinant of this value equals to 0. Directly you choose the answer. Here also same. How to write here? 1 plus omega square, that value is nothing but 0. 1 plus omega square equals 0. 1 plus omega square equals 0. So directly you choose the answer 0. By using properties of determinants. Okay. So how to write here? See here. This is C1, C2, C3. So C1 tends to C2 plus C3. What we get here? See, observe this one. First of all, first one is nothing but we are taking common log E. Okay. Why? Because log E square is nothing but 2 log E. So 1, 2, 3 we get here. 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. So difference is 1. 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. So what we get here? 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1. 2 minus 3 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. 5 minus 4, 1. So two rows are equal we got here. So determinant value equals 0 we get here. Okay. So then after, see here. Second question. What is second question? Second question is nothing but 1 omega square. Omega square 1. Omega square 1 omega. Okay. So see here. C1 tends to C1 plus C2 plus C3. What we get here? 1 plus omega square. We get here. Okay. And C2 as it is. Next here also omega square plus 1. That is the same. That value is nothing but 0. Omega square plus 1 plus omega. That is nothing but 0. So this value also 0. So 0, 0, 0. So in any matrix, one row is equal 0 or one column is equal 0. Then the determinant of that matrix also 0. So directly you choose the answer by using these conditions. First option is the right answer, 0. Next here, observe this one. So this is nothing but skew symmetric matrix. That is nothing but A dash equals to minus A. What is A dash? A dash is nothing but transpose of A. Transpose of A is equals to minus A. Then that matrix is called skew symmetric matrix. So determinant of this matrix also equals 0. Directly you choose the answer 0. ఓకే, అంటే ఈ ఫామ్లో ఉన్నట్లయితే మనకి డైరెక్ట్గా మనం ఆన్సర్ని చూజ్ చేసే అవకాశం ఉంటుంది, జీరోగా తీసుకోవడం జరుగుతుంది. సేమ్ ఇలాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇంకా కొన్ని ఉన్నాయి, వాటిని కూడా చూద్దాం. ఓకే, నౌ సీ ది నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. సో these are different type of questions, sir. So directly also we choose the answer. So how to choose the answer? See here. Let us take A equals to 1, B equals to 1, C equals to 1. Then what we get here, first of all, you substitute in answers, options here. 0 is there, 1 is there. Here 1 into 1 into 1, 1 we get here. Here 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 we get here. That means here, suppose we are substituting A comma B comma C equals to 1, then we get here 0, option 1 is the answer. We get here 1, 1. So both options are exist here. సపోజ్ 1 వచ్చిందంటే మనకు 2 ఆప్షన్స్ మనకి ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవుతున్నాయి. ఇక్కడ 3 వచ్చిందంటే అంటే మనకు 3 కానీ 0 కానీ వచ్చిందంటే డైరెక్ట్ మనకు ఆన్సర్ని చూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. లేదు మనకు ఇలా 2 ఆప్షన్స్ ఒకేలా ఉన్నాయి అంటే ఆ రెంట్లో ఏదైనా ఒకటి వచ్చింది అంటే మనకు కొంత కన్ఫ్యూజన్ వస్తుంది. అంటే మనకు ఇక్కడ 50-50 ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంటాయి. ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్లో మ్యాక్సిమం ఒకటే ఆన్సర్ ఇస్తాడు. లేదంటే 50-50 ఛాన్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు మాత్రం మళ్ళీ మనం ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఆఫ్ డిటర్మినెంట్స్ని మనం యూజ్ చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, సియర్ let us substitute here x a equals to 1, b equals to 1. Then what we get is 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0. So 0 0 0 0 we get here. Determinant of 0 0 0 is nothing but 0. So only one option is there, so that is nothing but 0. Next, second one, here also put a equals to 1, b equals to 1, c equals also 1. What we get here, 1 plus 1 2, 1 1, 1 plus 1 2, 1 1, 1 plus 1 2, 1 1. So here 2 rows are equal, so that's why directly we write here determinant of that matrix equals 0. So again we substitute here 1 1 1, 1 we get here, 1 plus 1 plus 1 3. So there is no 0, so only 1 0 is there. Directly we choose the option first one. Okay, next one, this one. Again put a equals to 1, b equals to 1, c equals to 1. Okay, again you substitute 1 1 1. సపోజ్ 1 అనేది వచ్చిందంటే మాత్రమే కన్ఫ్యూజ్ వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ 1 వస్తుంది, ఇక్కడ 3 వస్తుంది. ఓకే, అంటే మనకు రెండు ఆప్షన్స్ని 1 వస్తే మాత్రం రెండు ఆప్షన్స్ని డిలీట్ చేస్తే కానీ రెండు ఆప్షన్స్లో మనకి ఏదో ఒకటి చూజ్ చేసుకోవాలని ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, సియర్ 1 1 1 of 2. So 1 1 2 we get it, 1 1 2 we get it, 1 1 2 we get it. So that is nothing but determinant of this matrix. 2 rows are equal. That's why again determinant of this matrix also 0.